For many years, I have been sorting my Lego, and then most recently, I almost decided to quit sorting Lego. But then I figured out a new plan that is going to make organizing my Lego more efficient and easier. And my new plan is step 1, to sort bricks, plates, and tiles by part. Step 2, sort miscellaneous by category. Step 3, empty the last bins and drawers of unsorted Lego and sort them by miscellaneous and bricks, plates, and tiles. And then step 4, to sort bricks, plates, and tiles by part. And step 5, sort miscellaneous by category. With this new plan, it will make organizing my Lego more efficient and easier. I will be able to get my Lego collection fully sorted because of this plan. And I am going to be implementing this plan very soon so that I can get my Lego organized. And I'll see you next time.